Hello everyone and welcome to the conflict. So today in this video I'll be dealing with slot 3 QA memory based question. One of my friend gave the exam and is very near to me, so I can trust him with all the questions and all the answers. Okay, so and also he got the like he got the question written right from the examination hall. I won't tell you how, but yes, he got it, and that exact word to word. Some of them he got it, and he told me. Okay, so let's start. The first question which he told me is what the question was, what is the smallest two smallest numbers with 15 factors. Okay, two smallest number with 15 factors. We have to basically, the question was, what is the sum of two smallest numbers, sum of two smallest numbers with factors 15. Okay, 15 including 1 and 15. Okay, sorry, include 1 and the number itself, my bad. Okay, this was the question. Okay, so how to deal with this question? So the question is 15 means 5 into 3, right? So what we can do in this is we can write this as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2, right now. Like if a to the power b, sorry, 2 to the power b and 3 to the power c, the number of factors will be b plus 1, c plus 1. We have to move reverse. We are given this, we have to go to over here. Okay, so to take smallest number, we have taken this number to be 2 and this number to be 3 square. Okay, so 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, 16 into 9, 144. Okay, now for next thing we have two options. Okay, we can either take 5 in this place, or we can take, in place of 2 we can take 3, and in place of 3 we can take 2. Okay, so two cases, let us see. So in first case we will take 2 to the power 4 into 3, sorry, into 5 square. So this will be how much? 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, 16 into 25. Okay, so this will be 2500 and 25 6, this 400. So this will be 400. Okay, another case, if we see, this is 3 to the power 4 into 2 square. So this will be how much? 339, 327, 381, 81 into 4 will be 324. 324. Okay, so since we need two smaller numbers, so this is the smallest, second smallest is this, so 144 plus 324, so 8, 4 to 6, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so this was question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. There was a question that there are three people A, B, C. Okay, when a person D joins, the average decreases by x. Okay, average goes down by x, whereas when a person E joins, average goes up by 2x. Okay, and the difference of, not the difference, E minus D is 12 kg. Okay, not the difference, remember. Okay, our question was to determine the value of x. Okay, so it was as simple as that. Well, suppose the value of average of ABC is k. Okay, so A plus B plus C can be written as k into 3, right? Very obvious. Now when D is added, so A plus B plus C plus D, average decreases by x, so k minus x into number of people are now 4, so 4. Whereas when E gets added, average increases by 2x, so k plus 2x into 4, right? Now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So what will we get? All these stuffs will get cancelled and we'll be left with E minus D in LHS. Talking about the RHS, 4k minus 4x, my bad, I should have written it afterward. Okay, so and minus 4k minus, not minus here, why am I writing this? 2 minus 1 we are doing now. So anyway, let us write it over here only. 4k minus 4x, and here we have 4k plus 8x. So when you subtract this, this becomes negative and this becomes positive. Okay, this gets cancelled and this overall becomes 12, so 12x, and E minus D we know is 12, so 12 into 12x, so x equal to 1 is the answer. As simple as that. Question number 3. It was given that for any interior angle and interior angle minus exterior angle for a polygon is 120. Okay, we have to find the number of diagonals. Very good question this was, of geometry. Okay, so let us start. So it was interior angle will, each interior angle will be how much? N minus 2 into 180 by n, minus exterior will be how much? 360 by n. This will be 120, the difference also. Divided by 180 both the sides, so this will be n minus 2. We will send this n right hand side and we'll divide with 180. Okay, so this 180 gets cancelled, this can be written as 2 times, and 180 comes over here. Okay, minus 2 equal to, so 62, 63, so 2n by 3. Solve this. 3n, this is minus 4 minus 12 equal to 2n. Okay, so n we got as 12. Okay, now we got n as 12. So number of diagonals for a regular polygon is how much? n minus 3 by 2. Okay, 12 into 9 by 2. 2 6 12, 9 6 54. 54 is the answer. Okay, a fun fact, or whatever I say, like while he was telling me this question, that guy, he told me that he wasn't able to remember the formula for number of diagonal. Okay, so think how genius he is, that he used, what did he use? He took a, okay, he was remembering that it is n minus 2 or 3, something like that. Okay, so he took a square and he counted the number of diagonals. His square number of diagonals is 2. Okay, now for the formula, he took 4 into, he thought what it can be, 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, he first of all he took 4 minus 2. Okay, so 4 minus 2 will be how much? 4 to 8, but diagonals are 2, so by 4, but he knows that it isn't 2 in the denominator. Okay, it isn't 4 in the denominator. Okay, now he took n minus 3, so 4 into 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 2, so 2 is the diagonal. So immediately he derived the formula. That's so nice of him. Okay, next question, let me see. Yes, there was a question. A shopkeeper, okay, got the dress, like he paid the money for 100 rupees and he got 110 meter dress. Okay, and next, while giving to his customer, he gave 10 centimeter less, 100 by 90, so it will be this multiplying factor approach. I have a video which has most views on my channel, and the direct application of that question, that video came in. Okay, now, and also there was something like he gave a discount of 5%, so 95 by 100. Wait, let me check just a second. Okay, so 110 by 90 into 95, no, and something, one more quantity was given. Okay, so the answer came out to be 1.155. okay, so as I told, so the profit percentage will be 0.155, so in percentage it will be 15.5% profit. Okay, one more multiplying factor was there, he did not tell me exact. Okay, anyway, so this is done. Okay, next question. Okay, yes, there was a question. There are two people. Okay, there are two people who can complete a work in 20 days. Okay, so 1 by A plus 1 by B was 20 days they can complete, but a guy in that works with 60% of his efficiency. Okay, so 0.6 by A, and another guy works, so to compensate things and to complete it into 1 by 20 days, another guy has to work 1.5 times of its efficiency. Okay, so to compensate thing means number of days will be same and this will be taken same. Okay, so on solving this, we'll have to solve this. Okay, so 0.5a equal to 0.4a equal to 0.4b. Okay, so b by a equal to 5 by 4. Okay, now our question was find the time taken by faster one to complete the work. Okay, so we can write this as 1 by 5x plus 1 by 4x equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so 9x by 20x, 9 by 20x, I mean, equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so x we got as 9. So faster will take how many days? Faster means this 9 into 4, so 9 into 4 equal to 36 was the answer to this question. This was also a good question. Okay, one more question was a coffee, a mixture A contains cocoa and sugar in the ratio 3:2. A mixture B contains coffee is to sugar. Okay, this is cocoa, I'm writing CO. Okay, and CF, coffee, in the ratio 7:3. Okay, now this A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:2. Okay, after mixing this this in 3:2, how much quantity this C was obtained? Like suppose C was obtained X. Okay, then X milk we added. We have to find the concentration of sugar in the final mixture. Okay, so this is a very standard question. 3:2 and 7:3. So first of all, you have to convert this into same. So 3:2 can be written as 6:4, and this is 7:3. Okay, now our demand is sugar, so we'll work upon sugar. Okay, so we can write it as 4 3, so 12 and 3 2 6. I guess there's a mistake. 2 3 6. Okay, because it came out to be 17. Okay, if I remember the data correctly, 7:3. Okay, 4:3, 12, 3 to 6. This came out to be 18. Where 4 to 8 and 3 3 9. Yes, 2:3 was the ratio. My bad. 2:3 was the ratio. Okay, so 4 to 8 and 3 3 9. Okay, 17, 9 8 17, and total mixture will be how much? This is 10, 6 4 10, 7 3 10, and total 5. So total will be 50. Okay, so 17 by 50 sugar upon mixture is obtained. Now it is given that X exact 50 is the mixture, so 50 milk is added. Okay, so 17 by 100 will be total. Okay, so sugar upon total mixture will be 17 by 100. So percentage of sugar is 17% is the answer. That's it, done. Next one, let me see. This I already told. For real number, this is one absurd question. This I already told. Okay. Yes, there was a question. A rectangle that can be inscribed in rectangle of maximum area that can be inscribed in a semicircle. Okay. Radius was given, but that was of no use. Okay. Suppose x was the radius. Okay. So if x was the radius, this will be x. This will be x. Okay. Now this is 90 degree, we know. So this will be x root 2. Okay. Now half of this will exactly, because this is a symmetrical figure. So this will be x by 2. X by 2 by root 2. Okay. So since this is x, these both have to be x root 2. Okay. X root 2 by 2 it will be, I guess. Okay. X root 2 by 2 to obtain this. Okay. So to obtain this, now our question was length is to breadth. Okay. So x root 2 by x root 2 by 2. So this gets cancelled. 2 is to 1 is the answer. This was also a direct question. Okay, this much is done. And some of the other answers which he told me. Okay, this much is done. Irregular polygon I already told. Number of coins. Okay, so okay. Yes, one more question was that 3 people are there. Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet. They take 7 days to complete a work. Okay, whereas Rahul and Gurmeet take less than 15 days. Okay, Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet take 7 days, whereas Rahul and Gurmeet take less than 15 days to complete the work. Okay, so which of the given options is not possible for Rakshita? Okay, so in this question, what we have to do is we have to take r plus g equal to 15. Okay, so this case we have to take and then we have to solve. Okay, so in that case, for Rakshita it was obtained, answer as 21 was obtained, number of days by Rakshita. Okay, but we know that since this is less than 15, so 21 won't be possible. Okay, so for that reason this answer was wrong. So 21 was the answer, I mean. Okay. Now other questions which you told me, just I'm telling you. So this question was for that infinite solution question. Infinite solution. Okay. Answer was 33. Okay. Now x to the power 9 plus 1 upon x to the power 9. Answer was 34 root 5. Okay. And for the difference, the question was log 3 2x minus 9 log 4 dot dot dot, like log base 3 4 was the question. In this question, difference was asked. Difference means common difference was. The answer was log base 4 7 by 2 was the answer. Another question was mn and r two positive integers so that there are exactly 41 integers greater than 8m, sort of question it was. So for that answer is 16. Now one question was 5 to the power n minus 1 less than 3 to the power n plus 1, and then 2 to the power m plus n, sort of question was asked. For that the answer was 5. One more question was a quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c, the difference of their roots is if the difference of their root is 2 by 3, sort of the question was. We have to find the maximum value of b plus c. So answer was 9. Now population of town question was there. Okay, for this question you directly need to check with the options. Okay, so for that 73,000 was the answer. Okay, boat A takes 2 hours to reach downstream this stream. So this downstream was question. Answer for this was 3 into 3 root 5, 3 minus root 5. Okay, this was a question from IE Irodov. Okay, those who don't know Irodov, this is for those who practice physics. This is physics book or maths also, you can say, for JE level. Okay, don't know why they gave this stuff. Okay, another question was f of 3x plus 2y and 2x minus 5. For this the answer was 3. One series question was there, 1 plus 1 by 3 1 by 4 dot 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 will go on, 16 by 11. Another series question was that 46 plus 8n, one series is given, 98 plus 4n, another series given. Okay, so for this sum was asked of the common types. Okay, and some more constraint was given. Another question was there was a ABC triangle given. Okay, ABC triangle given, and one of the angle, this was given as 105. Okay, we have to find the value of ratio of this to this. Okay, this to this ratio was asked. Very easy question. The answer to this was 2 sin 15. Okay, next one fruit seller question was there, that answer was 340, and last number of cans collected were answer was 42. Okay, so these were all the questions. You can check yours.